very good morning and warm welcome to you, dear students, to your civics class. Today we will be studying chapter 2, Preamble to the Constitution, part 1. You all are familiar with the preamble. Here you can see the preamble. You all are familiar, aren't you? Daily during assembly and during Republic Day, you all are saying the preamble, right? So today we are going to learn about the preamble in detail. Let's go ahead. Now there's an activity for you. This is called preamble song. You all know the preamble. Now there's a song on it. So open your textbook. First of all, open your textbook to the preamble. And then once you opened it, let us sing the preamble today. I want you to notice all the capital words. There are capital words: socialist and democratic republic. So all those capital words, I want you to notice that and listen to this song.
We, the people of India, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought and expression of belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949 hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution.
So students, I hope you have understood and learned the song. It constitutes the full entire preamble that you have read and know all this time. Now let's go to the explanation. Please observe and learn from the video explanation. This is the introduction part.
The Constitution of India is a very important document. It is the document which defines defines our country, India. Now, the Constitution of India was formed by the Constituent Assembly and put into action on 26th January 1950. Now, India is the 7th largest country in the world. It is a huge country and so many people live in this country. Now, all these different types of people have certain rights or certain type of living, and they deserve to live a normal and respectful life. Now, for that, we need lots of different rules and regulations so that all the citizens of this country can live happily together and with dignity. So, the Constituent Assembly worked very hard and they came up with this document which is called the Constitution of India. And in this, there are so many different rules and regulations which make sure that every citizen of this country can have a good and dignified life. So, it took 3 years to make the Constitution, and it consists of 255 pages. So, this is a very large document. It has 255 pages and it contains many different types of rules and regulations. Now, it's not always possible to read the entire document or read all the 255 pages. So, just by reading one page of the Constitution, you can actually get a summary of the entire Constitution. And what is that page? Well, that page is called the preamble. So, the preamble is the essence of the Constitution. So, the basic summary or the basic principle of the Constitution is mentioned in the preamble. And what does it say? Well, it states, "We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation." In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. So, this is the entire summary or the basic principle of our Constitution. So, you must be wondering, there are so many difficult words in the preamble. So, how can you really understand all these difficult words? Well, for that, we will break the preamble into simple phrases and we will try to understand the meaning of each phrase. So, what exactly is preamble? Preamble is the essence of the Constitution of India. It defines the Constitution of India. Just by reading the preamble, you will be able to understand the basic principle or the basic thought behind this entire Constitution of 255 pages. So, dash is the essence of the Constitution of India. What do you think? What will be the answer? Well, it will be the preamble. So, it's the preamble. So, preamble is the essence of the Constitution of India. Now, initially, when the Constituent Assembly wrote the preamble, they did not mention few words which were later added into the preamble. That is, the preamble was revised. So, the preamble was revised in December 1976 and the words socialist and secular were added. So, the words socialist and secular were added later. These words were not there in the original preamble, which was written by the Constituent Assembly. So, why were these two words added, socialist and secular? Because these are very important words which actually define our country India, and they definitely should have been there. So, when the lawmakers felt the need of these two words, then they incorporated that into the preamble. So, you see, socialist and secular were the two words which were later added into the preamble. Now, let's go ahead and understand the meaning of different phrases in the preamble. So, it starts with we the people of India. So, we the people of India refers to all the people of India, whether big or small, rich or poor, of every region and of every religion. So, all the different types of people are what we the people of India stands for. Now, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a, what does this phrase mean? Well, it means have decided to make India into the following. So, have decided to make India into the following. So, we the people have decided to make India into the following.
So students, you have understood the first part. Let's go ahead. Let me tell you about our constitution book. Our constitution book is the law of the land, which we have learned in the first chapter. Here you can see this is the constitution book. And as you have learned in the previous video, it constitutes of 255 pages. It is the rule book of India. Like how you have the calendar, in which there are different rules and regulations. Similarly, we also have a rule book of the entire India. Now, why are this rule book made? Just think about it. Why is rule book made? Because it is required to direct India. There are different and definite aims or purposes for making any law. Now, these aims or purposes are arranged in an organized manner, systemized manner, and organized manner. All the rules are made, which is the preface of the law. Now, what is the meaning of preface? Preface means it's an introduction at the beginning of the book. You see, in the beginning of your book, you have the preface. The preface to the Indian Constitution is called the preamble. It is a summary of the entire book. Now we'll go to the meaning of the preamble. We'll learn the first paragraph. The preamble tells us what we all have to achieve as people. That is the values, thoughts and ideas. It starts with we the people India. We the people of India. Here you can see in the document, having solemnly resolved. It means, resolve means strongly agree. Means we agree to that document. To constitute, that means constitute means to be a part, meaning to be a part. Means we resolve, we agree to be a part of India as a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic country. We want to be part of the country, we agree to that. Let us now learn each of the different important words in the next part of the lesson. Okay, till now we have learned the introduction part, that's the first paragraph. Next video we'll be learning about the next, all the different kinds of words. Okay, thank you.